Hi guys, today I'll show you how to refurbish and make as new your Oral-B tooth irrigator for the cost of practically new, what do you call them, tips, endings, and you do it like this. Yep, we've got a new one. Well, not exactly new one, but that I'll explain in a moment, for a cost of just the tips. And a small bonus. You probably recall a while ago I told you about the consumer returns from Amazon and places like that. Of course, you would want to buy something like that, a hygienic product that somebody has used before and has been sticking this in their mouth. Here, it's slightly damaged. That's why somebody returned it to Amazon and got a replacement. And what does Amazon do with broken things? They auction them off in whole pallets. There are companies that buy those pallets and then split them into individual pieces and sell off on an auction to end consumers. And this way we've got a slightly damaged unit for a price just of a tips. And the damage here, according to the description, is a broken top cover, which of course we have fully functional in our old 10-year-old unit. Hopefully it's pretty much the same, and we'll be able to swap the two. So let's see what's inside. As you can see, it even has a bag, and the cable hasn't been even unwrapped. And we have a whole set of unused tips sealed in the original bag. This normally costs 45 Polish zloty, and we bought this whole thing for about the same, shipping included. So they look to be exactly the same, except the new one is nice and shiny clean, unlike the old one. So let's see what's wrong with the cover. The cover has the end pieces broken off. So we'll try to move this one over from the old one. Well, I guess it won't be that easy, so I'll just switch off the camera for now and see you after the break. Okay, the old cover. And even this mounting piece is exactly the same as in the old one, because you screw this onto the wall and then you snap the whole unit in place. Of course, you put the excess cable in this compartment so nothing's sticking outside. Let's just see if it works. Okay, speed control works perfectly. Let's switch it off. It shouldn't be running dry for too long. So as you can see, in this easy way, you can refresh your equipment at home. This one's something like 10 years old. Still working, but the pump wasn't working as well. And it was basically impossible to clean it now. As you can see in here, there's some mold growing. Haven't been used in a while. We used this chemical cleaner, but apparently it doesn't work that well with plastic this old. So this is a brand new unit. I won't give you the link below to the guy selling this on the Polish Allegro site, because it won't be that useful to you being abroad. But of course there are people on eBay doing exactly the same. So look around for deals, sort from the smallest price. Look for keywords like damaged, consumer returns, and so on, and you'll find a bunch of sellers with Amazon, mostly Amazon returns, will you be able to buy very cheaply. So the new irrigator is installed, tested, so the teeth are all nice and clean, and it has a much greater pressure than the old one. So I guess the pump in the old one was quite a bit worn out. But you're probably interested in this small bonus. The same seller had this cedar wood inserts for shoes, for one of those high shoes, for a really good price. So couldn't resist and bought them, especially considering that he has a one-time fixed fee for shipping of 20 Polish zloty. So this was basically shipped free with the other package. So let's see how they look. Beautiful scent. Cedar wood is great because it not only provides you this beautiful scent, but it also has antifungal, antibacterial properties. So it helps you get rid of those weird smells in the shoes. There's an adjustment screw on top here. And then you can insert these in your boots to keep them nice and straight, because this is not only for having the shoe smelling nice, but also so the leather does not get distorted. So I guess one should be happy with these. So that's it for today. Now really, end of this episode. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again soon.